So I don't know if you see, I have my buddy here, this is Lily, for those of you that care. She was sleeping and now she's not. Anyways, she is a little bit annoying when she's doesn't want to be, or when she's not held. So she's being held. This is the Zealsound M9. So what we're doing today, we're gonna take a look at what comes in the box. Microphones. So many companies kind of deal with them. Zealsound's been around for a while, which and I've been pretty happy with their gear. This is one of their newer microphones. So what we're gonna do now is, again, we're gonna take a look at what comes in the box. We're gonna actually connect it to one of my cameras. Now you could, again, you'll see actually in the box, you see it has a lightning and a USB-C. So you could plug this into your phone and record straight from that, which is great. So let's just see what this comes with, shall we? She's a little sweetie, isn't she? Yes, she is. So I just gotta not slice poor Lily here. She doesn't know what's going on. So, ready? Comes in a little case, which I approve. And yeah, like everything must be in that case. It does have a little thing on the bottom here. So this looks like so it's going to be your manual. We're not going to look at that today. We're going to basically see what comes in the box. And of course, just kind of give it a sound test, because you know what? As much as I like specs, right? As much as I like specs on paper, honestly, for most people, it really doesn't matter. Anyways, I like this case. Like, that's a nice hard case for sure. That's really nice. What do you think, Dave? That's nice, isn't it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And you get some accessories. What do you want to give that a smell? You get some accessories, so it looks like you get like a little lanyardy type thing. You're gonna get these are gonna be your receivers. So inside here, it looks like you get no. Oh, these are your clips. So these are your magnetic clips. So if you want to clip these on here, you don't get those on you, buddy. You don't need them. She has a sweater. She could use them. And last but not least, we are going to get your different kind of cables depending on what you are plugging in, right? So this one here is I believe this one is for like a phone that has like a headphone jack, I believe. And there's going to be your charging, right? So this, what are you doing? What are you doing? You don't get that. This is your USB-A to USB-C for charging. Now, I thought this was like a gray container, but it's just a wrapper. Yes, I know. It's exciting. It's exciting. Anyways, that's lovely. I like that. Come here. Just come here. Anyways, we open that up. I love that everything is just in here. Even all this. See that? This, you know what? This is going to be perfect for anybody. This must be for your computer. This must be for, like, if you have not a computer, an actual camera, like this camera here. So this is going to be your receiver, your normal receiver here. Yes. Does this have, yeah, so there's your like your headphone jack there that you would plug into your camera, USB for charging. Here's your lights. Yes. Volume, power indicator. It'll show how much battery, and if your mic 1, mic 2 is actually connected. This is a complete package. It connects to everything. Then if you have like an iPhone, that's your lightning. An older iPhone, we'll say, because they're newer ones, all have USB-C. There's your USB-C connector. So again, if you have an Android iPhone, you could even plug this into a computer that has USB-C, because it'll recognize it. And there are your little adapters. So that's what these are. So these are little like neck lanyards and stuff, right? So this has a little clip on it. Yes, little clips. You could just hang that. So I think that's cool. It's, again, that's magnetic. So if you wanted to do just like, how you see the Go has a little lanyard that you put under your shirt, and then this, you could hang either on it, right? Or you could hang the magnet parts underneath your shirt, and then that would snap to it. I'm down. That's cool. That's super cool. I like that. And then of course they have these little blue things, so make sure you take those all off so that these will have the ability to charge. And oh, that's cool. You guys see that? It glows red, like the whole ring glows red. What if the whole ring glows when you're recording? Not that I necessarily want a big glowing indicator on it, but I am going to plug those in so that they charge. I think this had a blue thing on it too, yes, just to make sure everything's charged. I like that everything's magnetic, so it's easy to take, even the cold shoe mount, right? This could be a cold shoe mount. So you put it on your cold shoe, and then that's just, so if you need to charge it, you don't have to take it off your cold shoe. You can just pop it off. And that, so those two are charging. This is charging. This, does it have an indicator on it? So it says it's fully charged. The lights aren't overly bright here, but there are bright lights, so that's cool. We're gonna plug this into I think we'll plug it into my newest camera, so my Go Ultra, to see how that works. Now, we could probably actually try that right now. I have it here somewhere, right? I have it here somewhere, don't I? There it be. There it be right there. Now, I do not have any memory in it, right? Storage in it right now, but it does have a USB port. So if I were to take this, I just want to see if it connects. So we'll take this out. Okay. We'll put that in here. Yes. Try to click. Okay. Make sure this is on. This should get some lights, I would think. Yeah. So there's our lights. And if we took one of these, where are you going, buddy? Hold on. Took one of these and turn this on. Oh, look at that. See, it changes colors. Oh, it's going, I got these weird colors coming up. Let's just see. Do I take it out here? Does it? Do I push? There's got to be a way to, do they just connect when they come out? Because, oh yeah, one connected. See, one's connecting. This one connected. This one didn't. So my guess is this one probably needs more charge. That's my guess. This one probably needs more charge. So we'll just stick that in there. Charging. This one says good. All right, I'm curious here now. So let's just grab a little one of these and hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. I don't need you falling off here. So we're going to just disconnect this for a minute because I need to get this out of the lock position. Put that back in now. So you think this went green like instantly. It seems to turn blue. Okay, let's just see if that functions. I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, there's meters there now. I can see the meters. The meters have showed up. Anyways, I should be able to turn around now and you guys should be able to hear me coming from this microphone. So this is going to be just raw, right? I'm not going to do anything to it. You guys should be able to see it. I'm going to go outside, put this on and see how it is at that point in time. Cause I think this is pretty cool for sure. Pretty cool. Hello. This is the Go Ultra as well. All right. Microphone. Yes. Blue light. That's Lily. And we're going to go outside and try it out. Okay, so I have the mic right there. You guys should be able to see it. I'm going to just place this. This is what I like about the Go. It's just, you know, you can put it just about wherever, which is awesome for sure. Anyways, let's just go over here and pretend I wanted to. Do you see our new gargoyle? It's our new gargoyle. It's for, you know, protection for ourselves from the evil spirits, I guess. That's it. Yep. This is our pool skimmer because we have a pool right here, which you guys should be able to see. And yeah, this is the deck. And of course, there's a little wasp or bee's nest down there right now. So I'm not going to go there for long, but you know, it's excellent. Let's just do this. I'm going to turn you around a little bit. I'm going to turn you that way. You can see a little bit more of this area. I'm going to come around here. You guys can't see me, but I'm coming around. And the nice thing again too is that it's one of these things that you can have actually connected to different. I don't know. I just got a message on the screen. I don't know if it's still recording. I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, it still seems to be recording. So that's good, but my battery's getting low, so hold on. I just wanted to come way over here just so you guys hopefully can see. But yeah, I like the fact that you can plug this into an old iPhone, you can plug it into a new iPhone, you can plug it into an action camera, an Osmo, anything that takes USB-C audio microphones, you should be good. And if you have a camera, it has the receiver with the cable, so you guys can do that as well. Yes, sir. That's excellent. Anyway, I haven't heard the audio. You have. If you think it's fantastic and everything you ever dreamed of, then I think
you should probably get it. I'll put links down below, and I will see you guys next video. All right, I'm out. Later.